in 3 and 6. In behalf of myself.
Yes!
Myself, yes. I just would like to thank you. Nakaka-touch, pero siyempre. Ayaw ko gagawin, ha?
Birthday niyo ba?
Yan, tinunta ko ng birthday sa akin. Birthday niyo ba? Talaga? Oo, best. Birthday niyo talaga. Oo nga. Dito dumating ako for ME1. Sinabi ko na they greeted niya ang birthday. Sabi na, oh, suto ko ang birthday niya. So yun, so... Ilang taon na 22? 22. Speech. First, so gano'n sinabi ko rin sa 2018, they also gave me a cake. And of course, nag-sorry sila for what they did. May natutulog kasi habang nag-discuss. So sabi ko wala na yun. So my birthday wish is not only for myself, but also for my class. Especially sa inyo, that of course repeatedly. For I will know na handles. I would just like let you know that my wish is for all of you, my students, to attain your goals, aspirations in life. So, ano man ang gusto nyo ano man ang gusto nyo maging, sana na-achieve na siya. So, sa for me naman, of course, also for me, I would like to wish for good health, siyempre, kasi hirap mag-law school, siyempre, and then of course, at the same time, magtuturo, I wish na I also achieve, I will achieve someday my goal of becoming a CPA lawyer. Sana dyan din. So, thank you na lang dito. Thank you for the young. Sinali na lang. Thank you. Thank you, Ate, for the yan, for the cakes.
Kainin na natin.
Kainin na natin. Okay na. So,